You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this molecule. For more medical terms pronounced correctly, more pronunciation, stay tuned. I'll link to many more confusing ones at the end of the video. British English pronunciation, how it's pronounced in the UK. Novocaine. Novocaine. American English pronunciation, how to pronounce in the US. Novocaine. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.